Hey, how's it going, everybody? Happy New Year. I am Socks here, and I am going to bring you a video tutorial video. Now, this video tutorial video was asked by a lot of my community members, family members within my community, to go step by step on how to do this. So basically what I have set up in my own Twitch chat, because I am a Twitch streamer, is that anytime a certain word that is made into a keyword will allow a sound command to go off in my Twitch chat. For instance, here we go. I have my Twitch stream basically set up here. You should see that it's right now a blank canvas, and then there is my webcam over there on the left hand side, and we have, of course, Twitch chat. If you're looking at OBS, Twitch chat is on your right hand side. Right now my stream is offline, but if you enter in a certain command, like if you decide to put in the lol command, or LUL, or LOL for laugh out loud, or even the emote that is represented by LUL, a certain sound command will come up and should end up like this. There's that, and then there's other ones where it comes up as a certain sound command. For instance, here I have the word sax, as in saxophone, SAX, and this comes up. That should be the 2021 song going forward, right? Just groove to that and groove to that. But I'm here today to show you how this is going to get done, how you can set it up in your own streams and make it your own. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. This is how we're going to go and get everything set up. As you can see here, this is my Twitch stream front page. You can see it's offline right now. You have the chat right there, and then you can see right now in chat. Let me move my picture here. Now you can see that on the right hand side is the Twitch chat, and you can see that I have entered in the emote. I'll hover over it right here. The emote. Well, actually, I'll hover it over in chat over here and click on it. This is the LUL, LUL. Now that's connected. That's connected to a sound command, and then Stream Elements redeemed it. And then sax, SAX, is connected to a sound command, and boom, sound command has been redeemed by Stream Elements. Now, where I get all my all my sound commands from is from myinstance.com. I will put in a link down in the description for this specific page. Now, there is going to be some DMCA related sounds in here. Please try to stay away from those as much as you can. People even stated that Twitch has sent warnings or banned people for like 5 seconds worth of stuff. It's probably going to get better, probably going to go worse. We don't know. Hey, it's 2021. We don't know what's going to happen, what Twitch is going to do, and how they're going to change it. But it's myinstance.com. myinstants.com. Again, link for this site will be down in the description, so you can click on it and find all your commands. And what it has is, it has sounds. Bruh. It has, you know, yeah. It has sound commands. It has sound commands that you're gonna want, sound commands that you're not going to want, some that are really, really out there. There you go. You got a fart sound. So there's some in here that are not cool. Just gonna let you know that now, that are not cool. You can see some ones that are just not cool and everything like that. So again, please use them to your own as your own discretion. Stay away from DMCA. Stay away from anything that will really get people infuriated, because hey, people are entitled to be upset about a certain sound that they hear, or somebody objectifying this, or say something. Just stop. It's 2021. Let's move on from that. So this is where you'll grab all your sound commands. Where you're going to want to set up everything is going to be in Stream Elements. If you don't have Stream Elements, go and set it up. Link your Twitch account to Stream Elements. Then you're going to make Stream Elements a mod within your chat, within your community. And if you don't know how to do that, please leave a comment down below. I can actually run that right through you, and we can get that set up. I can make a nice video for that. Just let me know. I have no problems with doing that at all. So what we're going to do here is basically set it up. Now, the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab a sound command. So what we're going to do here, we'll grab the fart button. Okay, grab the fart button. What you want to do is click on the name of the sound command that you want. Boom, there it is. This is the fart button. The fart button. You're going to scroll down, and then you're going to see all these options down here. Add to the soundboard, install, blah, 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 reports, get ringtone, notification sound. What you want is to download the MP3. Download it. Boom. It's downloaded. As you can see at the bottom there, it says perfect fart.mp3. Boom. Now it's been downloaded to your PC. But to being downloaded to your PC, saved there, you're going to be able to access it. You're going to access it by going to files, your file folders, and then you're going to look right there. You're going to look at all the downloads. So this is all the downloads that I've had. All of them are basically clips and everything. But right here, you look for today, and there it is. It is an MP3 file. Now you have it saved on your computer, and you can get ready to be using it. Once you have the sound that you want, you're going to go back into your Stream Elements dashboard. Now on the right hand side, you're going to see all this lovely stuff here. All this lovely stuff. You got loyalty, you got revenue, my partnerships, alerts, and overlays. There's just a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff here. So the first thing that you're going to want to do once you have everything, the sound commands that you want, you're going to go into Stream Elements. You're going to scroll down. You're going to go to loyalty section. Okay, the loyalty section. Then you're going to click on Stream Store. Now this Stream Store, when you first click on it, it might be empty. There might be nothing here. These are all the stream sound commands that I have. Ones that are gray, they are active and enabled. The ones that are pretty much darker color, they are grayed out. The reason why I have all these not active, these are all DMCA checked music, and I can't bring them in there anymore. And we have these that I have created myself, and at any time you can listen to these sound commands.
I'm good. How you doing,
babe? And then all of them are just going to basically just play, as you can hear. So we'll let this play out here.
Oh yeah, how you doing? How you doing?
That one right there is something that I recorded myself. At any point that if you want a video letting you know how to create your own command like I just did there with music in the background and your own voice, let me know in the comments. I'll make a video of that as well. So when you come into your Stream Elements store, it's probably empty, nothing in here. So after you've gotten here, there's nothing. What you want to do is you want to create a new item. So you're going to click on create a new item. Boom, and it's going to bring up this lovely page right here. Create new item. Now, there's going to be 3 options. Item type. What you want it to be is a sound effect. I'm gonna click on sound effect, and this is going to let Stream Elements recognize the programming and all that good coding stuff, that the alert, the command that you're going to be making is going to be a sound effect that you want, this is what you're creating for yourself, for your chat. Then you're gonna put basically the item name. So in this case here, we're gonna put fart. You could put a description, fart, sound, or anything that you want to put in there. Now, item costs, you want to put at 0. You might want to make it where its channel points are only redeemable, and that's fine. You can definitely do that. You can set it to where you have channel points, well, not your Twitch channel points, but your Stream Element channel points. It gets kind of confusing. Twitch channel points, Stream Element channel points, Streamlabs channel points. I put it at 0 just to make things perfectly fine and easy for everyone. I don't change the item quantity. Now, global cooldown. This is to your own discretion, how you want to do it and how you want to put it up. Now, do you want to put it at 120 seconds? Do you want to put it at 60 seconds? What I do is, for a user cooldown, I put 120 seconds, which is 2 minutes. 2-minute cooldown for the user using it. Now, the global cooldown, that means globally. Everyone that's in your chat that has access to this sound command, this is everybody else's cooldown. So if I activate the fart command, I cannot activate it for another 2 minutes after I have. But the rest of the chat can access it within 1 minute. So I put 60 seconds. Again, it's your own discretion, however you want to do it. If you want to put it longer, you can. You want to put it shorter, you definitely can. But you got to take into account who's going to spam it, who's going to be allowed to use it, and whatnot. And we can get to that as well. You can actually set these sound commands to whatever group you want. Mods, VIPs, everyone. It doesn't matter. There is a way to set that up, and I will be showing you that as the video progresses. So there we go. We have our timers. We got it at 60 for global cooldown for everyone, and we got it at 120 for the user that uses it. Once you're done there, you're gonna hit next. Now, this is going to bring up how you're going to upload your sound. Now, you have everything already in here. Now what you're gonna do is item command. This is the redeem command. Now you're gonna put exclamation point, and in this case here, since it is the fart sound, we're doing exclamation point. We're gonna do exclamation point redeem fart. And that will actually redeem the fart if anybody does exclamation point redeem fart. But this also allows the programming here to know that that this command can be redeemed in 2 ways, either through a redeem, exclamation point redeem, or by putting in key specific words, which we will get to as well. So with that done, you have your name, you have the item command name. You want to keep the item commands all the same. What you named it on the first page, you want to name it again on the second page, and so forth and so forth and so forth. It keeps the programming and the coding knowing what you're asking for, and it doesn't confuse it, because it can get confused. It will get confused. Okay, so you have all these checked off. Keep them all checked off here, just the way that they are. You can put it for subscriber only. If you want to make subscriber only sound commands, you can. It is easy. You'll just click all these off here, and you'll click only subscriber only if you want it that way. And when you want to upload a sound, after you're done making your item command, you're going to click upload sound. Now, these are all the sounds that I have. You're not going to see, when you start looking at these, make sure that you're looking at the title here, because you might be submitting something that is not the command that you want. So make sure that you're reading everything carefully and that you're choosing the right command that you want. Because I've done this before and I've had the wrong sound in there, and I'm like, oh no, it's the wrong sound. Yeah, crazy. So it's all uploaded to a cloud device, and it'll show you how much space that you have. So you're going to want to click the I'm gonna move this down here real quick. I'll move it over to here. Sorry about that. You're gonna want to click this upload button that is right here. It looks like there is a little cloud icon with an arrow in the cloud, and then up next to it is upload. You're gonna click on that, and then you're gonna be able to drag or select files. Now what we're gonna be selecting is the fart MP3 sound that we grabbed from my instance. Yeah, I'm bad with I'm bad with names. So click select files. And this is going to bring up all the files on your PC. What you're going to look for is downloads. You're going to go and look for downloads, and you're going to click on download. And there it is. Perfect fart. Okay? Yes. Perfect fart. You want to click on that, and then you're going to hit open, which is going to boom. There we go. Now, as you can see, we have perfect fart over here. Perfect fart.mp3. As you can see, it's right here at the top. You can see when I hover off of it, it says what it says. You're going to hover on it, and you're going to hit submit. There we go. Now you can see that it has the perfect fart mp3 sound uploaded and is ready for use. And you can mess with the volume. Sometimes it really goes on your discretion on what it is. Loud characters. Let's see here. That better? Below allowed characters. Okay. All right. Don't type in redeem fart. Just put in fart. There we go. That's it. Now it's gonna know. It's gonna recognize that. Anytime that you want your users to redeem something, just to redeem them, you can do exclamation point redeem and then the command that you have made. I've steered away from this. I have steered away from individuals being able to redeem it themselves, and now I just have it where a word will pop it off. So again, don't put in exclamation point redeem, then space, and then the command. Just put in the command that you have from the first page, which in this case here is fart. You can adjust the sound accordingly. Again, your own discretion, how well you want the sound, how you want it loud, you want it softer. Play around with it, listen to it, see if it's too loud. Look in your OBS when you're streaming or when you're just having your OBS open and seeing how loud that goes. How loud does that go into your desktop audio? Does it go into the yellow when you play it? Does it go into the red? Does it stay well far in the, well below in the green? Check it out. Play around with it. You'll thank me. You'll thank me, and you'll thank yourself for it by checking that out. Now we have the sound command loaded. We have the command loaded. We have everything checked off that we need. Then you'll hit next. You don't really need to do anything at all in here. This is like requirements or anything like that. I don't do anything in here at all. I just hit save. Now with it saved, and if this is your first item in the stream store, it's gonna show pretty much. It'll probably show up top here. For me, in my case, it shows up down here. If you play it, you see that it's played. So now the sound itself is set up. Now this is how we're going to get that command to be linked to a certain keyword so your chat can fart away however you want to. All right, here we are in chat commands. Again, this is all in Stream Elements. This is right in chat commands. It's going to be down here in the bot section, one that's labeled bot, and it's going to be put as chat commands. You're going to click on the chat commands, and then you're going to see default. You're going to see custom commands. You're going to see user management. This user management shows all of the individuals that have redeemed anything or have at some point had anything in here that was I believe linked or whatever the case may be. This right here gives you kind of like a again, a user management permission for bot commands. And then you have variables. Variables is the first category that you're going to want to click when you're making this chat command. All right, so you're going to click on variables right here, and this gives you a whole bunch of different variable commands that allow the coding that's in Stream Elements to catch on what you want to do. So in this case here, you're going to scroll all the way down to where you can't go anymore. And then this one right here, redeem, this redeem here. Okay, this command right here, the money symbol, the little, it's not a parentheses, a different parentheses, redeem, and then the other parentheses. I don't know what it's called. So if you know what it's called, let me know down in chat. So let me know down in the comments so I can actually say it properly. Now, what this variable does here, right here, it says redeems an item without the exclamation point redeem command. This will allow you to redeem your chat, to redeem, or yourself to redeem the command without having to put exclamation point redeem, typing all that in. It's just going to go off by using the sound command or the word that you put into your own custom command. It's going to allow it to just go off. It is. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold your left mouse button and just drag over this. You don't want to copy any of this. You don't want any of this highlighted in blue. You just want all this highlighted in blue. And you're going to right click and you're going to copy that redeem command right here. This variable, you're going to copy that variable, and that is it. Just going to highlight it, copy it, and then you're going to scroll all the way back up and you're going to make a custom command. As you can see, these are all my custom commands. These are the sounds. As you can see, all the sound ones: troll, buzz, 66, kappa, sax, you name it however you want to. So when you get into custom commands, you're going to go and add a new one. See the little right there? Add new command. Click on that. Click on that. Now, as we remember, it brings up this nice little box here as you're going to create your own command, your new command that you're going to create. Remember, when it has to match up. Your command name and your store item name have to match up. We named the store stream store item, that fart command, that fart sound that we uploaded, we named it fart. So remember, it has to be fart. Now, here is where some of you is going to probably want to do this, because you're going to probably want to keep things under control and not have randoms come in and just spam away. Here, it's called user level. What you do in user level is you have for everyone to use it, subscribers only to use it, regular, VIP, and moderators. Your VIP, for anyone that streams on Twitch and doesn't know, that little diamond that you see, that little pink diamond icon that you see by some individuals' names, that is a VIP icon. So anyone that is linked with that VIP icon in your Twitch chat will be the only ones to be able to redeem that command. Moderators, same thing, only moderators. So you can set it to however you want, however you want. You don't want everybody spamming, you only want your regulars, which is in a sense VIPs. Boom, just set it for VIPs. That is it. That's all you got to do. Just set it for VIPs. Or if you want to set it for everyone, set it for everyone. Now the response. In the response, the variables go in here. Remember that variable that we copied back in the variables tab here. Remember that variable that we copied. Since it's already copied, all you have to do is click on response, Control V, and it's in there. Now this is where it gets a little technical, and you have to do some typing real quick and put what you have to put in here. Now you have the variable in here. in order for you to allow the fart command or whatever command that you have, remember, it all goes off by names. In order for it to be redeemed in play, you have to click inside. So click right after the M, but still within the parentheses. You know, that little wall right there, but still within inside there. You don't want to go outside of it. You're gonna put in space FART or whatever your sound command is. So if it's scorch, you're gonna put and make sure that it's money sign, parentheses, redeem, space, scorch, and that parentheses. You don't change anything. You're just adding the word, the command word that you have set up for that store item that we already made in the beginning of this video. With that said, boom, awesome. It is all set right here to get ready to play. You can go to advanced settings. In advanced settings, what should the bot send a message? I keep it as a say. I believe most of mine are at say. We'll look at them real quick and see if it is. And then you go into command cost. Keep it at 0 if you want. Put it at a command cost if you want. If you're not sure that the command costs are going to work, keep it at 0. Doesn't matter. Keep it at 0. If you don't want people spamming it, like I said, put it as a moderator only. Put it as a VIP only. Put it as anything that you want that's going to keep it where you want to and not spammy. User cooldown. Remember, I put a user cooldown for 120, and then our global cooldown put it at 60. Again, those times are all up to you. However you want to do it. Those are my times. They can always be changed around however you want to. Now, command aliases. Don't worry about putting anything in here. This right here, command keywords. This will go off of command, like different sounds within not sounds. This will go off of different words within your chat, however you put in here. So we want fart to activate it, and then whenever you put in a word, make sure you hit enter. Hit enter, because it will allow it to be used as a command word. So we have it as fart. So there we go. We have command words linked with fart and the Steph T heart. It's just an example. Just an example. After all that's done, you want it to say no command cost. You got your user cooldowns. Everything over here in settings is good. You got the command going. You have it set for everyone. The variable with the command is put in. You're gonna activate your command. Now it is activated. It is saved. It is ready to go. But first, you have to make sure that it's gonna start playing in your streams. And that way that you have to do that is you're gonna have to go into your overlays. So alerts and overlays. You're gonna go into your overlays that you already have set up. You should have already had this maybe set up a long time ago. When you were setting up stream elements, you got your overlays, you got your fancy stuff on screen. What you're gonna look for is your main one. So this is my main one here. This is my Sox's Gaming at the time when I was still Sox's Gaming. This is my main one, and these are all my other ones. My Be Right Backs, my YouTuber overlay, my merch alert, Stinky Sock Saturday, which was a what we were doing. Was kind of a community night thing. Anyways, getting off topic. I rant a lot and talk a lot. Anyways, and these are all your other ones starting soon. You can add what we're about to add here to other screens. Like if you have a starting soon screen, you can add it to there as well. So what you would do is you'll find your main one that you have your overlays on, click the edit button. Boom, it's gonna blind you. You're gonna be like, oh God, why am I, this is just my eyes, and bam, there we go. Now we have the overlay. Now this here is your overlay editor, okay? This will edit everything from your sub goal that you might have attached to it, the little sand that's popping out, all of them. As you can see right here, there's a big box that shows redeem. Okay, these are your store redeem items. This is what is going to allow commands to be to show off, to be heard within your stream. because this box will play the command that has been set up in Stream Elements, and Stream Elements wants to send the information back to OBS. Well, OBS will allow it to play in your ears, and then your desktop audio will pick it up. I know, right? It's great. It's technology. Technology. So how to get this box, you're asking? Okay, we'll do that. So you don't go into emulate. Over here by my little Santa that's popping out, there is this blue circle with a cross in it, or a plus sign, however you look at it. You're gonna click on that, and then you're gonna have alerts. You're gonna go up to your alerts. This also will allow you to put your alert box in if you have set up anything alert wise in Stream Elements, or if you've imported it from Streamlabs and where it's connected to where you have stuff set up on Streamlabs already that will play then on your stream. If you need help with that, or if you like a video for that, leave it down in the comments. Let me know. I have no problems in making it. I will do it on times that I have a free time, which is usually in the afternoons every single day when my youngest is sleeping for her nap. So you're gonna look over here. You're gonna click on, well, not really click on alerts. You're gonna hover over it, and then right down here, you're gonna see store redemptions. Okay. Store redemptions. You're gonna click on that, and that will bring up this redeem box here. Now I already have it set up, so we're gonna be right there. Now once you have it there, place it somewhere. Place it anywhere that you want to. Me, I have it kind of right here, set in the center, nice and simple. And then you're gonna hit save, and it's gonna save. It's gonna boom. It's gonna be in there. Now, if you want to put this in other overlays, you're going to do the same thing. So here we go. My starting soon, right? Go into edit, starting soon. What do we have in my starting soon screen? We have the redeem box. Now I put it over in here. It's right inside. It's going to play anytime that I'm starting soon, and I have commands. It's going to play because I have the redeem box here. Do that for all you. If you have a Be Right Back, put the redeem box in it. Remember, all you have to do is click on the little blue circle with the plus sign in it, go up to alerts, go down to store redemptions, click on that, drag it over into your empty space where you have it, or anywhere else on here that you want it to be at. Close it off. Make sure you save it after you have put it in there, and then that's it. It's saved. It's good. It's ready to go, and you'll have it set up for your starting soon screen, or your Be Right Back, or ending stream, or however you want it. If you have a special overlay that you have for everything else, boom, there you go. Back out of all this, there. Now you have your redeem set up in the store. You have your customized chat command set up in your chat commands here. Now you've taken the redeem box and attached it to your overlay, because your overlay in Stream Elements is connected to OBS because everything is linked. Now whatever happens in Stream Elements that you have that wants to play or wants to show up in your chat command, it's going to, because you have everything linked together. Now so all that's linked together, that's linked together, and what are you going to do after that? You're going to save everything, and then you're going to go to your Twitch channel. You're going to go and you're going to make sure that it works. And how do you make sure that it works? Well, you put in the stuff that you have. You put in the stuff that you have, and you make sure that it works. And it should. Here we go. Here's the moment of truth. You're in your command. You're in your chat. You can be offline as long as you have it set. I'll show you. We'll go down to custom commands here. Chat commands real quick. Go to custom commands, and we're going to go into our new one, which is, well, we'll go into Sax. Okay, go into advanced settings here. Enable command when stream is online, offline, or both. I have it for both, so I can test it out. Always test it out. Always just test it out. So I have it where I can do it both online and offline. You want to make sure that if you want to have it to where it's only online when you're streaming, hey, that's your preference. Go right ahead and do it. And we'll go back over to here. Now everything is set up. Now it should play the way that we want it to. click on this little chain link up here. That's to copy the overlay URL. Okay, click on that. Bring back up your OBS, whatever you have for your live scene. Here's your browser. Double click that. Put in the new browser information. Just put in the new browser information. Hit OK. Bring it back over to here. Alright, that's saved. Right. Out of that, go back into Stream Elements here. And we're in our YouTube overlay. Hi, I'm back. So quick thing. We got it to work. We got it to work in the YouTube. We got it work in YouTube. Make sure that I'll bring over OBS. Here it is. As you can see, my scene set up for YouTube, right? Scene is set up for YouTube right here. This is the browser. Make sure that the browser is visible. Cause watch. Here we go. We'll do lol, right? Oh, it's not showing up. It's not showing up because the browser is not visible. Make sure the browser is visible. Here, I will link my hype emote that I have set up for a sound command.
Pick up the sock, then throw the sock. I'll catch the sock, then bring back the sock.
I told you I'll get you there. I told you it all works. I told you it is. Hey, I love yous. Again, 2021. Let's make it a good one. More tutorials coming. Let me know in the comments. I am Socks. I am on Twitch. I am on Twitter. I am on Instagram. I am on YouTube. I will be everywhere. Leave the stuff in the comments. Let me know what you think. Give me some more ideas for tutorials. I love yous. Much fucking love to all yous. Yeah, I know I cursed right there at the end. Peace.